Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a lost phone. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the website Android. Let me see what I can find exactly. It's called android.com/parent/control. So you go to that website and then you want to about halfway down on the page it says go to android.com/find on the web, and let's do that. Okay, and then that's gonna show you the last location of your, actually I have two phones that are showing up. So my Motorola Moto G Stylus, that's the newest one, I guess, and then the one before that still shows up. So if you want to look at one of those, you just tap on the one that you want to select. I'm not going to tap on it because that's going to show you the precise location. I don't know if that's a good idea to put that on the web. So, but that's how you find this. So you go to google.com/Android find, and then you want, once you get to that page, so it's google.com/Android/find, and then that opens up, and that's going to give you the location of your last two, or the last items that were. You might have to log on to your Google account once you're on there, but just follow the instructions. But that can come in handy, because I think I've run into that problem myself, and I'm sure we all have. So if you lose your phone, this is a really neat feature. It finds where it was last being able to be tracked. So that comes in handy. So if you lose your phone, that's what you do. Hope that helps. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.